Okay, 6.7 is dealing with inverse relations and functions, so you're going to be finding inverse of the relation or inverses of the functions. And this first one is, what is the inverse of the relation S? So you're given this table, x, y, of the relation S, and all it is 4 points. You have the point 0, -1, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 4, 3. To find the inverse, all you're going to do is switch x and y. So the inverse of the relation is going to be the point -1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 3. Now, this doesn't always look the exact same as far as in the same order. They normally will write it with the x's going from least to greatest. So if at any point when you switch them and the x's aren't in that order from least to greatest, they may mix up the ordered pairs a little bit and mix up the points a little bit, but the point values would be the same. This -1, 0 may be down here though instead of up there. Okay, so here you're asking to find the inverse of this relation and you're given the equation. Alright? So you're still, to find the inverse, you still switch the x and y. What I mean by that here is this y becomes x equals 4 minus 3y. Okay? All you do is flip-flop the two x and y's. Then you solve for y. Get y by itself. So I have to first subtract 4. So I have x minus 4 is equal to -3y. Divide by -3. And I can't leave that negative in the denominator. So it's going to become y equals, and I get -x plus 4 all over 3. Okay, you could also split it up. -x over 3 plus 4 over 3. Okay, you could have it like that. This is fine though. Here's a little math joke for you. Get it? I is saying be rational, and pi is saying get real. Okay, here we're finding the inverse again. We're still going to do the same thing. Even if this wasn't y, say it was f of x and it was a function. Okay, you still do the same thing. This acts as your y though, so you switch the x and y, x equals y squared minus 5, and solve for y. I'm adding 5 to both sides. X plus 5 is equal to y squared. Now I need to take the square root of both sides, and when I take the square root of both sides, I have to put plus or minus square root of x plus 5. Here's a couple you try problems, and that's it for this one.